All right, we are going to work on the back side of the Recubes word problem page. Please make sure your name and your number and date is on either side of the paper. Let's start with the first step. Read the problem twice. I'm going to read it out loud and then I want you to read it to yourself. Jackie just transferred $5 out of her bank account. As a result, the account now has $824 left in it. How much money was in that account before the transfer? I'll pause the video and you read that problem to yourself. Okay, so now that we have read the problem twice, we need to next circle the numbers and the labels. So I'm going to circle $5 and $824. Now the labels. We circled the $sign along with the monies, the numbers, but I see the word money as well, so I think we need to circle that. Great. So now we need to underline the question. What is our goal? What are we supposed to do in this word problem? We need to figure out how much money was in the account before the transfer. And most of the time, the question you underline is going to be the last sentence in the word problem. So that's going to be our goal, to figure out how much money was in the account before she took some money out. So now we box in operation clue words. We need to figure out if we're adding or subtracting in this word problem. What clue words do you see? I see the word transferred. Please put a box around this word. I see as a result. I don't know. I mean, that kind of tells me something happened before. That's not really on any of our clue word list, but it's kind of a little red flags coming up in my mind. I see the phrase how much. That will help us. Okay. I don't see, oh, I see, oh, left, $824 left. That's not like your left hand, that's means like leftover. Definitely a clue word. Good job. Okay. So now we're going to explain our strategy. Wick and win, Mrs. Stalkup's favorite part. What do we know? We know that Jackie transferred $5 out. So let's write down transferred. And for the sake of time, I'm going to put down trans with a period. That's called an abbreviation. Transferred $5. So I want you to write that down as well. Remember, Wick and Wind, they are quick note-taking places. It's not going to be full sentences with periods and capital letters. So transferred $5 out. So transferred $5 out. That does not look like the word out. I apologize. I hope yours looks like the word out. Much better. Transferred $5 out. Okay. What else do we know? That there's $824 left. $824 left. Is there anything else we need to figure out? Or not that we need to figure out, is that we know about this? Well, let's talk about what do we need to do. Well, we need to figure out how much money was in the account before the transfer. So what could we put there? Looks like we had an amount, we took some out, and then we have an amount again. So it looks like there's a gap, right? When there's a gap in math, what do? We subtract. We find the difference. So let's write down, find the difference. Put down difference. We are trying to find the difference in amounts. I'm also going to put a subtraction mark to remind us we're going to subtract. Great. So this is down here below is where we are going to show our work. I'm going to put down SCR for start, change, result. I want you to do that as well. And let's talk about how much did we start with? Do we know? No, we don't. We don't know how much money was in the account before the transfer, do we? So I'm going to put down M for I don't know how much money it started with, but I know that we took, or that Jackie transferred out $5. And when you're transferring money out of an account, the amount is going down. So M take away 5 equals what? As a result, the account now has $824 left in it. So she's got $824 now, but that was after she took away $5. Now, this is a good starting place, and this is a really good equation, but we have some random number that if we take 5 away, we'll get 824. What might be a more simpler way for us to do this? Can we switch this one around? Is the opposite of subtraction addition? Yes, it is. We can rewrite this, and I want you to do this. 824 plus 5, just rewrite the sentence backwards, equals M. Equals how much money she started with. Well, 824 plus 5. That's easy enough for us to just to do together. We don't have to write that all down. 824, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 829. So I'm going to erase that M and put $829. And this is what I should see on your paper as well, $829. All right, my friends, this is how you use the Recube strategy once again to add or subtract. I want you to use this paper as you solve some word problems. There are blank copies of this in a little dry erase clear protector that you can just use a dry erase marker on to help you, okay? Or if you feel really comfortable with word problems and all you really need is like the wick in the wind or a place to just put your thoughts down, I still encourage you to use this sheet. Forgot to ask you, hand this paper in the pathway section and move on to the next step. Thanks for working with me.